Hi, I'm Herm Smith, Pro Check One, and I'm here today at a site, construction site. Glasses that I have on is the Air Lite, some of the most powerful, glasses that you can, buy. This is the camera. Okay, I'm wearing the sunshade so that I can be able to see the screen. Okay, that that's of pictures of what actually is going on. So pretty much, with this type of technology that's out, when I look at this site, I'm able to pick up any and everything that is pretty much is going on. Any type of defects, as far as the leveling of the land and all that. And what you're seeing is pretty much, you know, the foundation. Okay. Um, Looks to me that they have ran the plumbing and all that. They're putting like the plastic down. That's like an insulation barrier, as you can see. Okay. Um, from the last time that I was out here, everything was pretty much excavated out. Okay. So here again, I'm just taking you know the video of everything. Now, what's showing up in my lens, okay, is going to tell me if everything that's based upon this foundation that's been set, if it is completely in line, okay. And so I'm gonna kind of like get down a little bit, let my lens and the computer system that's in the glass start measuring, and I'm gonna give them the command measure. I control. It stops at the point of my sight. Stop. Now we got to make sure that everything is plumb. Okay. And so I'm going to get down. And as you can see, it's measuring. Stop. There we go. So what these guys are doing right now, what I'm pointing out to you, okay, here, is that they're doing all, putting the barrier in, vapor barriers, so that basically um, prevent any type of moisture, okay, from coming up in the floors of the home. There you have it, guys. So basically, you can see exactly what it is that's going on the site. Okay, and pretty much, I'll go down to the other end, walk. Any type of defects, I'm going to see it. Okay, that's what these glasses allow me to do as being an inspector.